I have been obsessed with elephants since my mom says really since like I was one. I have a photo of the first time I saw one, and I love them. People say all the time, oh, I'd love to work with elephants, I would love this. No, like that's my dream, is to have a job where I could truly take care of elephants every day. Elephants are gentle and kind and loving, and they work together as a family. I love how a mom and an aunt take a new baby and care for it, and just the way they love each other so deeply. You can tell by the way that they interact with each other. That is one of the biggest things that draws me to elephants. Elephant abuse is pretty severe, and especially in Thailand, but also in the United States with circuses and things. It's kind of unreal, the training that has to take place to get them to perform for us, and it's really harsh and it's really ugly. And so we were educated on that, and we were able to take these broken creatures. They remember everything. They know the abuse that they've experienced, and we were able to love them, and I definitely felt love from them. And in 2012, Wes took me to Thailand, where we worked at the Elephant Nature Park, and that's where we're going for this Flashback Friday.
Flashback Friday, Thailand edition. We cleaned up elephant poop.
We did.
We washed elephants. Really, they washed themselves.
But we got to pretend that we were washing elephants. And so this is one of my favorite experiences of my life, and I hope that you enjoy it. There's not a whole lot of commentary. I wish that I could go back and do it again and kind of record what exactly happened each day, but the footage, I think, speaks for itself. So I really hope you enjoy it, and yeah, here you go. enjoyed that video as much as I did. I will never get tired of watching it, honestly. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you are inspired to do something that you've always wanted to do. That was a huge bucket list item for me that I didn't think was going to be possible. But with hard work, it was possible. And we were scared when we landed in Thailand. We were nervous for that trip, but it was such a great experience and a great place to go. And so I hope that you create something that you want to do, that you've always dreamt about. And like this video. If you enjoyed it, leave us a comment and tell us, like, if you could have any job in the world, what would it be? And go ahead and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Yeah, I'm asking that.
Awesome. Have a good day, guys.
All right. Happy weekend.